At tayo po'y dadako na sa ating buhay Pinoy sa New Zealand, hatid sa atin ng Western Union Money Transfer. Meron po tayong special guest ngayong hapong ito. Ang dalaga pong ito, hindi ko sasabihin sa inyo kung dalaga ba talaga siya o dalana. Isa po ito sa candidate ng New Zealand People's Choice Scholarship offered by AMP. At ang pwede pong bumoto sa kanya ay New Zealand-based people lamang. Kaya, ayan, lahat po ng mga Pilipinong New Zealander o mga Kiwing New Zealander na mga kaibigan natin, kumbidahin ninyo mga kapwa Pinoy na bumoto kay Charika. At narito po si Charika, Charika Ross. I-explain niya po sa inyo at sa ating lahat how this scholarship goes. Good afternoon, Charika. How are you today?
Good afternoon, Tita Verge. Salamat po sa pag-invite ninyo sa amin sa pagpunta dito sa show niyo. Yung AMP scholarships kasi, maraming siyang specifics na pwede ma-applyan. Merong national, merong regional, at saka people's choice. And then, kailangan either one of national or regional ang pwede ma-applyan. And then, the second scholarship is people's choice kung gusto nila na yung mga tao sa New Zealand magboto. Kaya nga, nag-set up ako ng Facebook page para sa sa second scholarship na in-applyan ko, which is the People's Choice. Kasi sabi nila, part of the requirements yun para kung sino ang makita nila sa application na may maraming may maraming boto, mga top 5, ito ang pinakamaraming boto. So, yun i-ano nila sa kanilang AMP Scholarship sa Facebook page. I-announce nila by September.
Okay. Ano naman ang mga courses na offered ng AMP for whoever wins? Say, particularly on that People's Choice.
Now, that's interesting kasi hindi naman siya specifically for any course or any school dito sa New Zealand. Ano siya? It's for anyone na meron dream, na merong goal na gusto ma-achieve pero kailangan lang ng financial assistance. Pwede silang maka-apply through AMP scholarships.
Right. So you can take your own choosing kung anong gusto mong...
Yes, and...
Yeah.
Yes, and at any age, kahit na meron ngang last recipient nila, 96 years old, naka-receive siya ng scholarship fund para sa kanyang goal. It's really interesting, but at any age pwede mag-apply.
Mag-apply, right? Okay.
So anong course ang gusto mong kunin pag nanalo ka?
Hindi naman siya kurso, pero nag-start kasi ako na nag-write ng blog. It's called Manx Marche since 2012 dito sa New Zealand. Ano lang siya initially as a way of like waiting for auditions kasi nag-ano rin ako as an actor dito. Hindi masyadong yung auditions kasi dito regular, kaya nag-ano lang ako as a way of just using my time productively. And hindi ko naman na expect na 2 years na ito running. Meron ako more than 8,500 views from around the world. And then recently nag-set up ako ng Facebook page for that blog. Ang sinusulat ko doon is basically entertainment, travel, lifestyle at saka personal growth, like experiences ko, like how I grew up and how I've learned from it, yung ganun ba, and hopefully people would be able to relate or benefit. Yeah.
And also share.
Yes, and also share. That's pretty much important, yung engagement ng mga readers.
Okay. So that keep you busy, isn't it?
Yes. Kasi gusto ko talaga writing ever since I was actually high school. By accident lang yun. Kasi meron akong yung mga teenage stuff na gina-go through. Hindi ko na
experience.
Hindi mo na-express. So you express it through writing.
I express it through writing, and then I felt better after that.
Yeah.
Then yung 20s ako, sumulat ako ng mga articles for newspapers and magazines back in the Philippines sa Cebu po. And I earned naman a decent amount of money, so sabi ko, if I can do this, maybe this would be a career option.
Yeah.
So,
do something you love and get paid for it.
Yeah, although I didn't take any journalism or creative writing course kasi business management ang tinake ko, pero yeah, I mean,
is that something that you're thinking to pursue though? Maybe letter writing or,
yeah,
something like that, huh? That would have been a great,
writing related endeavors. Yeah,
nice.
That's what I would love to do.
Well, good luck to you. I hope you
good
get
luck
it.
to you. Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm not very technically minded. I'm technically challenged.
Maintaining a blog is a bit of a challenge din kasi kailangan ng a little bit of knowledge of everything.
Yes,
of course.
Kaya nga I wanted to get funds for kasi ngayon yung blog kasi from blogger kasi yung platform na ginagamit ko, so I would want to have it transferred to WordPress. And then iniisip ko pa kung if I can do it on my own, like editing it, or if I could hire like a team of people who would handle the technical aspects para mag-focus na ako ng writing, kasi it would really take a whole lot of my time para lang mag-edit. Oo. Kaysa magsulat talaga.
Okay, good on you. That's very good.
Ano naman yung national and regional scholarships, qualified ka rin doon or?
I am applying for national scholarships. So on that note, yung mga judges lang ang maka-decide kung sino ang deserving of the national scholarships. Pero itong People's Choice, people within New Zealand ang maka-boto, maka-decide.
Right. So you have the chances to become the national scholars or scholar and as well as the People's Choice scholar.
Yes.
But you can't have both. You can only have one or the other.
Can have both.
Oh, you can?
Yes.
Cool.
Yes, that's the great thing about this scholarship as well. Yeah.
Well done.
Well, kung marunong kang lumuhod, makukuha mo yan.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Guidance lang yan.
Oo.
Faith.
Yes. At saka effort din.
Yeah, of course.
Yes. So, all right, manawagan ka.
Yeah.
Hello. Itong endeavor ko through this blog, I feel na maraming maka-benefit nito, not only like entertaining people about wherever I go, like for example, if I'm going on cafe and then I enjoyed their service, I write about it, and then kung merong event na I like about it as well, I write that on my blog. Not only that, pero feeling ko meron rin akong i-share na things that I've learned. I don't claim to be a personal growth expert, pero i-share ko lang kung ano ang natutunan ko doon sa blog, and I really feel na this can be a thing for me to expand further. So I'm inviting everyone to have a look at my Facebook campaign page. It's titled AMPNZ People's Choice, Charika Roche. My name is spelled Charica, and my last name is Roche. And then you can press like, and then in your own time you can have a look at my previous posts, kasi meron naman akong sinusulat na much more detailed posts sa blog ko about the reasons why I'm applying for it, para makita nyo in detail what it is that I'm aiming for, what I truly believe, and also kailangan ko rin ng pera para pang-invest sa devices, kasi luma na yung laptop ko, parang kailangan na i-change, at saka yung phone and other things. So yun, I'm inviting everyone to in New Zealand to vote for me. So hopefully I'll be one of the finalists for the AMP New Zealand People's Choice category.
Yes.
Now, how to vote? Bigyan mo yung website or wherever.
Yung Facebook.
Yeah, just go to if they have Facebook page, just type in AMPNZ People's Choice Charika Roche. Andun naman siya.
I see.
Makita naman nila, and then just click like, and then if it's all right with you, once you like it, tell everyone that you know here in New Zealand to have a look at that page, and if I'm deserving to get the scholarship funds, then they can also like it.
Yeah.
Only as long as you like it, that's it.
Yes.
Naboto ka na. Nakaboto ka na.
Yes, kasi once na hopefully, once na nalista na ako as one of the finalists sa People's Choice category, then the real voting will begin. Sila na mag-announce, yung AMP Scholarships team na mag-announce kung sino ang deserving for that category. And then the real voting will begin.
Right. They will choose how many on the first round? Five
Finalists.
And then out of the 5 finalists, ilan ang kukunin nila?
Isa.
Only one. And yun na yun yung team of selectors.
Yeah. Yes.
Well, congratulations for having the courage to do it and the dream to achieve. Good luck to you.
Yes, good luck to you. And yes, we are inviting all our listeners to vote Charika so she can achieve her dreams.
Paulit nga yung Facebook page.
It's AMPNZ People's Choice Charika Roche. Yun ang pangalan ng Facebook campaign page ko po.
Ayan. At narito po muli isang awitin para sa inyo.